Tired of standard insert bits that break and bend? Hit back with Impact X. Impact X is a new line of insert bits and fastening accessories engineered to stand up to the extreme power of hard-hitting, high-torque drills and impact drivers. Each Impact X bit is equipped with 3 features: precision machined tips, not forged, for superior fitment and reduced cam out; performance optimized S2 steel for extended life; and each bit goes through a calibrated heat treating process for added durability. Impact X has a wide selection of bits and fastening accessories.
I like them. They work very well. They last all day. They're very durable. The screw fit very well into the bit. They drove in, and the lifespan on it was very good. Definitely, I would recommend this to all my friends and all my coworkers.
Long reach bit makes me utilize my tool differently, so I can adjust towards my project and actually see more of what's going on instead of having my drill real close, so I enjoyed it.
Trouble finding a place to put your bits away safely and securely? No problem. Makita has created a new Expand storage system that keeps everything organized and within reach. With a store-all cylinder can in the spine of the case, this system is efficient and a must-have for HVAC, electricians, woodworkers, remodelers, and any pro contractor who requires a best-in-class engineered impact bit set.
Impact Performance Series Tapcon Installation System from Irwin. Irwin's Tapcon installation bits and drill drive sleeve are engineered for maximum durability and long life. Durable enough for use with hammer drills, but especially designed for use with impact drivers, they make Tapcon installation faster and easier.
We use Tapcons and concrete screws quite often, almost on a daily occurrence on our jobs, whether we're putting in ledgers, window bucks, other applications with trusses, our truss hangers, we'll use the Tapcons or the concrete screws. And one of the biggest frustrations is you've got to have 2 tools. You've got to have your hammer drill and then your impact driver. With the Irwin system, it's made it a lot easier. Now you only need your hammer drill or your impact driver because you got your drill and then you got your sleeve that goes right over it. Boom, Tapcon goes in and you're good to go. Makes our job more efficient, productivity goes up. The Irwin system saves a lot of time, and that's what we're looking for.
We build about 3,000 homes a year, so you can imagine how fast it's going to be if you use the Irwin drill bit with a sleeve and do it all in a couple of seconds. You drill a hole, put a sleeve on, and you're ready to go.
Irwin's Tapcon installation bits feature one-piece construction that enables them to withstand the higher torque of impact drivers. The innovative pressed carbide tip gives you faster drilling and a longer bit life. The hex collar engages with the drive sleeve to quickly drive fasteners. And the bits are available in the standard diameters and lengths required for the most common masonry fasteners. The Irwin drill drive installation sleeve makes the process even easier. The drive sleeve is dually compatible with all Irwin Tapcon bits, as well as standard SDS hex drive bits. The sleeve slides over and locks onto the hex collar of the bit. Then fastener drive bits easily attach for quick driving of screws to get the job done fast. The Impact Performance Series Tapcon installation system. For the widest range of impact accessories on the market, be sure to check out the complete line.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. Universal quarter-inch hex bit holder. Delivers a powerful 930 pound of max torque. Patented 3 LED light ring. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
Ever had a home project stopped in its tracks because of frozen bolts, rusted nuts, real knuckle breakers with the edges stripped round, or damaged screw heads that you just can't turn? Well, now you can remove them all like a pro with Rocket Socket. Razor grip, rocket fast. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA with American steel. Rocket Socket uses the best proven damaged nut, bolt, and screw head removal technology to make short work of even the most stubborn fasteners. Rusted bolts, frozen nuts, painted bolts, stripped screw heads, flat or Phillips. The secret is Rocket Socket's razor grip technology that grips and doesn't let go. The more you turn, the tighter it grips. The 6-piece expansion set complements our starter set, adding 6 essential and often used sockets that fit 10 standard and metric sizes. They stay safe and organized in the starter set's handy case, sold separately. So stop doing this and start doing this.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. The Tiger Wrench is handy, convenient, and saves you time. With this one tool, you can tackle dozens of projects around the house, on the road, in the garage, or on the job. You'll use your Tiger Wrench all the time. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
When trouble strikes, get help from the all-new SunX Roadster service jack. The foldable 23-inch long design stores in any vehicle and is easy to carry. The telescoping handle gives extra leverage when lifting the vehicle. Get off the side of the road and behind the wheel faster with the SunX Roadster service jack. When your weekends are short and there's work to be done, the Roadster is there to help. It's powerful enough to lift full-size trucks, while the Rapid Rise technology lifts the load in less than 5 pumps. The compact footprint lets you store the jack even when garage space is limited.
Hi, I'm Steve from Ideal Security. Whenever I use a ladder, I want to be sure that I have a firm and level base to support it. And this can be challenging when working on stairs. Sure, you could use scaffolding or articulating ladders, but they're expensive and complicated. And makeshift platforms of milk crates and 2x4s is just plain dangerous. That's why we developed the Ladder Aid, a safe and easy solution for using a ladder on stairs. The original Ladder Aid works with most Type 2 aluminum ladders. The Ladder Aid Pro can handle heavier loads and the bigger fiberglass and telescoping ladders. Let me show you how it works. First, set down the base of the Ladder Aid parallel to the lower stair. Next, insert the upright and secure it into place with the locking pin. If you're using the Ladder Aid Pro, you'll also need to secure the top half of the upright to the platform. Finally, slide the platform into place on the upper stair. Use the locking pin to secure it in place. As you can see, there are multiple mounting holes. These allow for superfine adjustments so that the ladder aid can be installed perfectly level on any stair. In 3 easy steps, we prepared a secure and stable base for our ladder. It's just that easy. And the best thing is, your extension ladder sits securely on top. Since you don't need to attach it directly to your ladder, you can quickly and easily use whichever ladder is right for the job. The ladder aid features a non-slip base, and both versions are compact, lightweight, and portable. So when you're done working, you can easily throw them into your truck or store them in your basement. The next time you need to use a ladder on stairs, don't struggle. Just reach for your ladder aid by Ideal Security.
The recognized workhorse polisher in the industry just got even better. Introducing the 7-inch Makita Rotary Polisher. This new 7-inch polisher includes several innovative features, including rubberized gear housing and loop handle to help protect delicate surfaces from damage, wire mesh intake covers to prevent wool fibers from entering the motor, and improved cord guard for increased flexibility and longer life. And of course, all the same features remain that have earned this tool legacy status, including an electronic controller that provides variable speed, soft start, and constant speed control. With several new features and increased durability, the 9237C polisher remains the choice of industry professionals.
I've been using the Makita polisher for many years. The new one's out. I really like the new one. The new easy handle, you can use it, it's very versatile. So between the cord extension, your vents, your rubber handle, it's a great machine all the way around.
The new tongue and groove plier from Crescent is a must-have tool for anyone who works with plumbing. 3 Crescent innovations make these pliers stand out from all others. First, deep-set V jaws wrap securely around pipes and fittings for a tighter grip. The Crescent-engineered tooth design angles to each direction of the V. Teeth bite on all sides to reduce slippage, allowing you to apply more torque with less effort. Available in 10-inch and 12-inch sizes, the Crescent tongue and groove pliers have extra adjustment positions for an even better fit. Next, and perhaps the feature you will most appreciate on the Crescent tongue and groove plier, is the integrated non-marring grip. High-impact rubber grips built into the handle grasp work with ease and protect expensive fixtures from scratches. No more rags or using handles on the inside of pipes. And third, exposed steel tips at the end of each handle are exceptionally useful for reaming, deburring, prying, and removing tub drains. Like all Crescent products, these pliers are built to last. Alloy steel construction and induction-hardened teeth maximize durability. A black oxide finish resists corrosion, and the exposed tip design prevents the handle grips from sliding off.